So I think US market and India market, the biggest difference is infrastructure. In India, internet companies or e-commerce companies have to develop their own infrastructure as well. You cannot just be an internet company built with a website. You have to do a lot of logistics or payments yourself, whether it's cash handling, returns handling, and lack of infrastructure makes it more challenging in India. We have about 1,000 sellers on Flipkart, yeah. But that's just the start. I mean, we just opened up our platform earlier last year. We are planning to have tens of thousands of vendors over time, tens of thousands of sellers over time. Maybe in a few years, we'll be, if once our technology platform is robust enough to handle that kind of volumes, we should be able to allow lakhs of sellers, small and large sellers, to come and sell on our platform. So I think we are already on that path. We are pretty confident that we will get there probably sooner than what we had set earlier. We are now thinking ahead from there. We are the infrastructure investments and technology investments that we are making are largely are geared towards even more future. So we are not thinking 1 or 2 years from an investment point of view. We are thinking 5 years, 10 years from an investment point of view, whether it comes to warehouse investments or logistics investments. And the largest of the investments that we make are in technology. The technology platforms that we are building are scalable, flexible. They should be able to handle large volumes, large customers. So that's what we are building for. So profitability is a strategic choice that we have put that on the back burner for now. The reason is that e-commerce being a low margin business, there's a trade-off between growth and profitability. Since the market is growing very fast, internet in India is growing faster than what we had anticipated. We want to invest now and grow rather than rather than be profitable and grow slowly. I believe, from our point of view, it will be not a good decision to slow down our growth right now. We need to have the infrastructure in place to be able to serve the customer.